all, just embed a background image, place it, and scale the image according to your artboard. Hit OK, then press Control, then rasterize the layer, and press Control T, then right click, make wrap option, wrap the image over your artboard like this, and similarly from the bottom. Okay, hit OK, then adjust the layer, make it, convert it into black and white layer. Okay, then add a person, place it, just scale the image, hit OK, write some text, change its color from the setting, make it to the white, just drag it, scale the text, take the text layer into the back of the image, press Ctrl T to take the copy, right click, press Ctrl T, right click over, flip the text, then just drag it like this. Check it over here. Convert the text into a smart object. Then press Ctrl T. Change its perspective. Okay. Drag the previous one. Change its blend mode into overlay. Also change its blend mode into overlay. Then decrease the opacity. And add some text. Add some more text. It's fine. Then press Ctrl T. Take the brush tool. Add a new layer and draw the rough brush like this. Again, take a new layer, make the brush size smaller and change its color to black. Okay, then create some shadows and decrease the opacity of the brush. That's good. I think it's done. Hope you like it. Please don't forget to share my channel and hit the bell icon.